I'm Deb Pearcey. I am a senior designer with Summit Renovations. Today we're going to talk about a project we completed in Ardross. So our clients really wanted to achieve a more enhanced front elevation. They wanted it to fit the prime location that it sits in. And internally, they really needed to bring some more natural light in. The kitchen was quite dated, so they wanted a beautiful kitchen, as well as updating some bathrooms and taking care of some old water leaks. One of the most important things for our client was to bring in natural light. So we achieved this both in the bathroom upstairs and the ensuite upstairs and in their family room with some beautiful remote-controlled automatic Velux roof windows, and also give all of the wet areas a makeover at the same time. They both love to cook, and they cook at very high temperatures apparently, so it was really important to find a bench top that could withstand temperatures of 350 degrees plus. So we had to research that and find the right solution for them, and we ended up with a decked-on product, which is just stunning. They really wanted a sensational kitchen that they could entertain, cook, just whether it's themselves or bring friends and family over to enjoy it. So clients had an unusual dual staircase and it took up a lot of space. So we decided that part of the project was going to be realigning the staircase and basically repositioning it. So the outcome for this beautiful property is that it is now a standout in its location. It looks amazing. It's completely transformed from its dated brick exterior to begin with to now a very contemporary, stylish front elevation.